practical application, if Keith is coming overhead, I'm going to intercept his sword as I step off the line and then cut up into his body. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we'll bring you the Tai Chi sword form. It's a two-person drill on how to train intercepting with your partner. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you again for your continued support. And have a great day.
So let's move into the intercepting. So we had finished with the block up and the chop down. It's very easy to train this one just starting from that position. So the intercept, I guide the sword down and I want to cut up. So a practical application, if Keith is coming overhead, I'm going to intercept his sword as I step off the line and then cut up into his body. We want to turn this into a two-person drill. So when he comes up over the top, I'm going to intercept. And as I cut up, he's going to simply just block down. So to stay in this drill, then he's going to come up overhead again. So I'm going to lean back, intercept, cut, he blocks down. So you can stay in this drill doing it in just this format. You can also mix and match where he comes over and I can go back into the block up and chop down. So I got a choice. I can stick with this or at any time interrupt to the cut down. So it all depends which way I want to utilize this. Now moving along from here, we can start adding our footwork in to take the interception and make it a little bit more practical, combining these two drills. Good. So that's interception with an upward cut.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.